coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is some Maruchan Tempura Soba. I used to like this stuff more. There's also a version of it called Midori no Tanuki. Midori, I believe, is green. Tanuki is raccoon dog, and no means of, with. It's a something. I think it just means the green raccoon dog. We've got a sachet that'll go in. That. Come on. It's been a day, folks. I am just like wiped out. Come on. And then we're going to hold off on the tempura. Here is the noodle. And this goes for 3 minutes. Yeah. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's grab a fork and a spoon. Give it a flip. There you go. So let's go right to our standard deal. This is the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle way back in 1958. Let's see. The last one was weird. That was 276. A woman who enters her shun, or shun, which means season. A woman who enters her season suddenly becomes stunningly beautiful. We should remember that all things have their own season when their potential for beauty is brought to fullest flower. Okay, and then number 277, eat wisely for beauty and health. So yeah. Yeah, I woke up and I got all ready, pounded half my Bang drink, ate a Cliff Bar, got ready to do a bunch of apartment laps, and then looked up at the clock and realized it was 1 a.m. That I'd passed out maybe like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours earlier. Like crap. So I went back to bed and I got up when I needed to, but yeah, pounding like 150 mils of caffeine and going right back to bed. I also got a Charlie horse last night. I was just been doing a lot of walking, so that, yeah, got that and caffeine and funk. So just felt crappy today, but I'm hoping that's going to end soon. But it's 11:40 here in beautiful Kenmore, Washington, where I think it's 60-something outside. It looks nice outside. Not perfect, but not bad. And it's cool. We got new tunes playing on the old noise machine. What's going on? I don't know, I'm tired. But I've got 4 reviews all ready to go. So we're gonna start with this Tempura Soba. I think you're gonna dig it. I hope I do, because generally this is the kind of stuff that I kind of go, eh. But we'll see. Should be about 2 and 1 and... Let's give it a try. So here's how it looks. These are buckwheat noodles. It's got a, yeah, it's got like this funky dark broth. The noodles are a little chewier. Yeah, it's a very chewy noodle. Broth. Not too bad. Let me do the plating and I'll see if, oh, what I should do. So this is a tempura disc. It's like a cookie. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of that and try it now this way. And we'll do the full effect. Tempura. See, I like it while it's still crunchy. Okay, fine, I'm sold, and I'm really surprised to be saying that. This is a good tempura soba. And it's been a while since I've really liked tempura soba. Then again, I want to say it's been a while since I've had any, so there is that. Hey Miles, how you doing?
Good, Papa.
Yeah? Is today a good day? No school today. That kind of nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you like school. You guys are good at school. You excel in school. Alright, so there's that. We'll add a little bit of... Oh yeah?
That's a lot of funnels.
You know a lot of letters. You know all the letters and a lot of words too.
B and L and L and O and W. That's a lot of funnels.
It really is. Yeah, a piece of Naruto.
Mimi.
That's your letters for your name. Yeah. Your name is Mimi. The amount of volume this morning experienced by this reviewer was like a little much from the small set, but all in all, gone pretty well today.
We have a new light.
That's right, we do have a new light. One of the lights Papa ordered was the right kind, huh?
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
yes.
Well, let's let Rotato work its magic. Sound good, Mimi?
Okay.
Yeah. Little Miss Excitement. Okay, I gotta keep remembering which way I go with this. Out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen, out of the kitchen. pleasant surprise. I'm pretty happy about that one. The next one you'll see is by Sapporo Ichiban. And pickles. 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 Oh yeah, pickles. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.